Okay, where is the loose screw? Extra screw, not loose screw. Oh, okay, that's the loose screw. Huh, inside there. And this is the console
Dito na shoot eh.
of the Mustang 2012 V6.
Kaya dito siya, nasa loob.
Courtesy of the guy who installed this thing. An extra screw there rolling around.